oh, I'm gonna quit, I'm gonna sell all of my slime shop supplies. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a more serious video to discuss with you guys. It is about my experience with the slime community. This video is sponsored by YouTube Originals, and I was actually just in New York City for the premiere of the YouTube Original series Impulse, and can I just say it was incredible. In this series, the main character Henry discovers that she can teleport amongst all things that she's going through, like bullying and even things as horrific as sexual assault. You can actually go watch the first 3 episodes from the new series Impulse for limited time, linked down below for streaming for free. After I got home from the premiere of the Impulse new series, I sat down and I binge watched the entire series right then and there. It was so amazing, and it has such incredible and important messages about bullying. This series really reminded me of 13 Reasons Why and Stranger Things, and if you guys liked those series, you will love watching Impulse. To cap off all of the conspiracy theories I saw in my You Decide my Instagram slime video, I'll link it down below. You guys saw Dominic teleporting into my video. A lot of you guys were like, oh my gosh, are you okay? Nicole, there's a man in the background of your video. What's happening? That was actually Dominic from the show Impulse in my video because I wanted to get you guys reeled in for this grand finale. Thank you so much to YouTube Originals for sponsoring this video and allowing me to just speak on behalf of my personal tie with how Henry felt. Let's hop right into this video all about why I almost quit the slime community and why bullying is so horrible and why you should never listen to it ever. If you guys have been following me for a while, I began my channel. I started to do, when I first started my channel, I did like fashion videos and haul videos and that kind of content for the first 3 years of my channel being created, and then I kind of fell into doing life hack content, and that did really well and I loved it so much. So for the first year, from like 2016 to 2017, I did like all life hack content. Like I was basically a life hack YouTuber and that's it, which I literally loved so much. It was so amazing. That seriously was such a fun time in my life. I love it so much, and I still do life hack content every now and then here, but I'm definitely predominantly a slime channel now, which I'm so okay with. I feel like channels just kind of like grow with you and keep, you know, they like grow as you go together. Yeah. Making life hack videos, I definitely did notice a lot of hate, but I did not notice the kind of hate that I got when I was making slime content this entire past year up until now. So around sometime like last March of 2017, I made a slime video. I think it was like an Instagram slime tested video. I ended up doing like 20 of these videos. Actually, they were so much fun to make. And in this first video I posted, the video did super well. I had so much fun making it. At the same exact time though, the comments that I received in the comment section were just like the most absurd, rude, and just like mind-blowing comments. It was just a lot of very young people commenting on my video, just saying things about my hands or how like manly my voice is. And I feel like I am I'm a lot stronger than I used to be, but when I was in high school, like Henry was in the Impulse series, and if I would have gotten these comments before I had like grown up a little bit and been able to get into the world a little bit and just like build thicker skin, when I was in high school, I got bullied by a lot of people because of my channel on YouTube. I just remember that kind of feeling. It was just so like you don't want to go to school because those people are going to be there and they're going to bully you, and that's just why I resonated so much with this new series because of how Henry felt and how it made her want to rebel a little bit, because it was like she wasn't receiving that friendly like attention at school. It was like all negative, and you know, and luckily, you know, I wish I had an ability like Henry to teleport. That would have been so amazing, but yeah, I did not have that ability, obviously. It's a sci-fi series. As I kind of got my roots in the slime community, the hate got worse and worse and worse. I ended up making a slime shop around, let me think, I want to say I made it like a month or 2 after I started making slime videos on my channel. I kind of was trying to like tamper with it. I didn't know what I was doing at all. I mean, I've only ever really made YouTube videos, and I've had like conventional jobs before I had YouTube as my job, but I've never had anything. I don't know how to like have my own company, so I had to learn how to make a product and ship it and do all that whole thing. But like the amount of hate I got for doing that was insane. I just remember going onto my Instagram and people were just commenting like the most unsupportive things about how how dare I, like, it's, when I think about it in the big picture, it's really ridiculous that I even considered quitting making slime. But there were definitely times where I was like, I'm quitting, I'm done making slime content. Like, I'm not getting any positive feedback. The ratio for positive comments to negative comments was not even at all. Like, negative totally took over positive. But at the same time, for the first time, like, I loved making life hack content, but the slime content, I found something in that with, I could just take my own like different niche into it. I kind of started the whole famous slime shop slime reviews, and that I made the thumbnail style. Like, for the first time, I really found myself being so creative and pushing myself to make cool content. So to get such a bad reaction from everyone was so disappointing. But at the same time, I had to remind myself that people don't like change, and when you change something about yourself or about your YouTube channel, people aren't gonna react the best in the beginning. But during the time, I almost stopped making slime content because I was absolutely taken back that people would be so mean and just unsupportive. But it was just such a weird conflict where I was like, one day I'd be like, oh, I'm gonna quit, I'm gonna sell all of my slime shop supplies, but then one day I would be like, I'm so happy, I love this, and it was just like this weird up and down thing. It's just like, it's really sad that there's more times that I can remember than like good ones when I first started making slime content, where it was just like so much hate. Like, I just don't understand. But I don't want to make too big of a big statement here, but I think one of my theories about why there's so much more like hatefulness in the slime community is because of how young everyone is. And when you are younger, kids just want to pick and they want to bully you, which is so similar to in the series Impulse, how Henry, you know, she's in high school, just like really young people, they just like to cause drama and bully people about just really dumb things about their appearance or this or that or that. Okay, before I talk for like 8,500 years, I just want to get across to you guys that if you really just can't listen to people that throw hate at you or leave comments in the comment section, or if you have in real life bullies that bully you, you have to find a way to seek help and talk to someone that can help you through that. But yeah, seriously, I'm so glad that I did not stop making slime content like a few months ago when I was getting like the most hate. People just kind of got tired of hating, and that's the big picture of all of this. Is in any situation, bullies will get tired of doing it if you just don't feed into it, if you just don't let them know it bugs you. And when I was watching the series Impulse, I just wanted to like grab Henry and be like, you are so worth it and you are amazing. And yeah guys, I will see you with a new video very soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me, and don't let the bullies or the haters stop bringing you joy. Like, they are absolutely worthless, and if someone's going to go out of their way to make your day bad, that's their problem. Just remind yourself of that you are not a bad person because someone else had to go to this dark place to make you feel bad also. Do not get down to their level. Let them just live their own life, and don't cross paths with them. They're not worth it. Don't let them bug you. I promise you it gets better. It really does. But yeah guys, I will see you with a new video very soon. Bye guys.